Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing this teal graphic liner, so let's get started. So first I'm using the Wet n Wild Photofocus Concealer as my eyeshadow base so that I get an even surface. And taking a flat brush, I am blending it all in. And now I'm setting the base with some translucent powder so that the concealer doesn't crease. I'm using the Double Duty Gold Plus liner from House of Makeup in the shade Miss Moneybags. I'm drawing a semicircle on my crease and winging it out just like I would do with a cut crease. And then I'm sort of connecting the wing to my lash line. And then I'm just lining my lash line like I would normally do with any eyeliner. Using a Q-tip, I'm trying to clean up any mess that I created. I've also added some gold shimmer on my lid and some brown matte shade on my lower lash line. Finishing it off with some mascara and lashes. So that's all for today. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!